give it a last go about it. Stress is kills. Just remember, when stress can kill a person, it just kills people. A lot of people died because of stress, and you need to handle your stress. The first thing I said, when you have stress, you need to take control of the stress. Just remember what I spoke earlier on my first slide. I said you have to take control. When there's stress, take control of it. Oh my God, my iPad, my computer too is lacking. Okay, I got my iPad for 2000. That's when I got my iPad and it still works. But I like Ichoma. Remember what I spoke about? It's me. How are you? It's me. I'm from South Africa. It's me. I'm from South Africa.